Let's dive into the heart of this setup, the processor. Choose between the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X or Intel Core i5 13600KF. Both offer 6 cores and 12 threads, ensuring top-notch gaming and multitasking performance. 3. Pair it with a Cooler Master Hyper 2N12 or DeepCool AK400 cooler to keep temperatures low and performance high. For the motherboard, opt for the MSI B650M Pro AX for Ryzen or a Z690 chipset for Intel. These support future upgrades, DDR5, and PCIe Gen 4. The real gaming hero is the graphics card, NVIDIA RTX 4060Ti or AMD RX 7700 XT. Enjoy smooth gameplay with over 100 frames per second at 1080p Ultra or 1440p high settings. Equip your setup with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, like the Corsair Vengeance 5600 MHz. Upgrade to 32 GB later if needed. For speed, a 1TB WD SN580 NVMe Gen 4 SSD ensures lightning-fast game and Windows loading. 11. Add a 2TB HDD for extra storage. Ensure reliable power with a Cooler Master 650-watt 80+ bronze power supply unit. For aesthetics and airflow, choose cabinets like NZXT H510, DeepCool Matrexx 55, or Lian Lancool 215. They offer RGB lighting and easy cable management. Enhance your experience with a 24-inch LG IPS Full HD monitor or a 144Hz model for gaming and editing. Opt for a Logitech or Redragon gaming combo for responsive keys, RGB lighting, and smooth mouse movement. If needed, add a TP-Link PCIe Wi-Fi card or USB adapter. Install Windows 11, either trial or genuine. This ultimate gaming PC build under Rs 1.5 Lakh is ready to power your gaming, editing, and productivity needs. 20. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing builds. Stay techy, stay powerful.